Hi everyone, I am Shebonti Bhattacharya, student of Food and Nutrition 5th semester from Shet Anandaram Joypriya College. Our college is celebrating National Nutritional Month 2022, so I am participating in an online recipe contest. Today I am going to prepare chicken Malai Kebab, which is very tasty and easy to prepare at home and which is very nutritious also. Here we have boneless chicken, garlic paste, ginger paste, onion paste, kasuri methi, fresh cream, black pepper, lemon and salt, chili powder, curd, garam masala. So now we have to marinate the chicken. We are adding 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of ginger paste, 2 teaspoons of onion paste, 1 piece lemon, salt as per requirement, (100g) curd, garam masala as per requirement, (4 teaspoons fresh cream, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 3 teaspoon kasuri methi, then we have to marinate the chicken. Kept it for 2 to 3 hours. So now we heat up the pan in the gas. We have to fry the chicken. We are using 15g butter for frying. We have to wait for heat the pan. So now we are giving the marinade chicken in the pan. Fry the chicken until it gets dry. If you need butter, then you can add more butter to it for frying. So now we have to cover the pan and wait for 10 to 15 minutes until it gets fried. Then check it if the chicken is fully cooked or not. After it gets fully dried, it is ready to serve. Now it is ready to enjoy. It's yummy and delicious. I am using fresh cream on the top for better taste. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.